Prophet Jimmy Stewart Lyombia in one of the prophetic healing and deliverance service.
Nasubuga Prose by names. I report to Jesus that ever since I gave birth to the child, this daughter of mine cries always. Another thing I report to Jesus too, that she has got a persistent cough. What you have to do? Let me just pray for her and you go and examine the cough in a scar.
And the names of the child. Sagala okumanya amanya gonnyabo n'oyo akuliraanye awamu n'obujulizi bwammwe. Amanya Nansubuga Prose. Nansubuga Prose by names. From Kazinga. Another one is Nakauka Ronita. She's also from Kazinga. We thank Christ Jesus for our lives. And another thing Nakauka Ronita is to thank Christ Jesus that through the prayers of the prophets of God, the prophets of God, may the Lord bless you. And another thing Nakauka Ronita is here to thank Jesus. My daughter Nakauka Ronita has been afflicted by severe cough. I think she has spent with this cough for almost 5 months. We've brought every kind of drugs, but all in vain. Through our session of reporting in our cases unto Christ Jesus, I told Jesus that my child is suffering from cough.
Flashback.
Flashback to Jesus too, that she has got a persistent cough. What you have to do? Let me just pray for her and you go and examine the cough in a scar.
And the prophet of God directed us to the scanning to Mulago. But I refused to scan her since she's a little kid. But they prescribed for us drugs costing 35,000 shillings into 25,000. We came here into Bible study and told it to the prophet of God. And told to him that the child was unable to be scanned. Then the prophet of God was like, don't you worry, let me pray for her. Last Tuesday. Brethren, I've been hearing my child coughing, and wherever I could stand, I could be depressed. But I thank Jesus that how she was and how she is at the moment, she's not well. That's why you said that the prophet of God told us in Bible study on Tuesday that we are to receive miracles. Let it be a sickness, it's going to be healed. And brethren, a miracle that I got is Jesus to heal my child of the cough. I give God the glory and honor.
The miracles of Jesus are real and supernatural. Nothing is impossible with God. Come, let us believe together that something new will happen to you as you pray with Prophet Jimmy Stewart Lyombia.